How to correct a date of birth error on a U.S. passport. Correcting a date of birth error on a U.S. passport is a straightforward process, and the U.S. Department of State does not charge a fee for routine processing when correcting a printing or data error on a valid passport. To get started, you need to fill out and sign Form DS-5504, which is the official application for passport data corrections. Along with the completed form, you must submit your current passport containing the incorrect date, an original or certified copy of your birth certificate or naturalization certificate showing the correct date, and one recent passport photo. Once your materials are gathered, mail the complete package using trackable USPS mail to the National Passport Processing Center address listed on the form. Keep in mind that courier services like FedEx or UPS cannot deliver to the specified P.O. Box address. Routine processing for data corrections is completely free, but if you have upcoming travel and need your corrected passport sooner, you can opt to include a $60 expedited fee check payable to the U.S. Department of State. The expiration date on your replacement passport depends on when you report the error. If you submit your correction within 1 year of your passport's original issue date, you will receive a brand new passport valid for 10 full years. However, if more than a year has passed since the original passport was issued, your replacement passport will retain the same expiration date as the original document. Thanks for watching. If you liked this video, please be sure to subscribe to my channel and ring the bell to get notified about the latest videos.